Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today we'll be doing Matrices Exercise 3.1. So let's get to our first question. So we have in the matrix 2, 5, 9, 10, minus 7, 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1, minus 5 and 17. This is a 3 cross 4 matrix. The question says first write the order of the matrix. Next, the number of elements, and write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24 and A23. So now, order of the matrix is 3 into 4. Let me tell you why. So we have how many rows? 2, 35 and root 3. Those are our rows. So we have 3 rows and 4 columns, that is 2, 5, 19, minus 7. These are the rows, columns. Next it says write the number of elements. So I'm saying the number of elements as 12 because 3 into 4 we get the answer as 12. 3 rows, 4 columns, 12 elements. Next write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24, A23. Now how do you identify it? First row, A13 is first row, third column. So we have as 19. A21 is 2 is second row. 1 is first column. So A21 is 35. A33, that is third column, third row. So we have minus 5. Next we have A24. It is second row, fourth column, that is 12. A23 is second row, third column, that is 5 by 2. Now let's see our next question. So we have, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 13 elements? If a matrix is in the order of m cross n, it has mn elements. Didn't I tell you the previous question? So we have 3 into 4, right? So that is what? It's a 3 cross 4 matrix, so we have 12 elements. Similarly, this is what it says. If a matrix has an order m cross n, it has mn elements. Thus, to find all the possible orders of a matrix having 24 elements, we have to find out all the ordered pairs of natural numbers whose product is 24. Thus, the ordered pairs are 1, 24, 24, 1, 2, 12, 12, 2, 3, 8, 8, 3. And 4, 6 and 6, 4. So we're going to find the ordered pairs, correct? So hence the possible orders of a matrix having 24 elements are 1 cross 24, 24 cross 1, 1, 2 into 12, 12 into 2, 3 into 8, 8 into 3, 4 into 6 and 6 into 4. Thus 1 and 13 and 13 and 1 are the ordered pairs of natural numbers whose product is 13. Hence the possible orders of a matrix having 13 elements are 1 into 13 and 13 cross 1. Next, if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 5 elements? Same to the previous question. Find out all the possible orders of a matrix having 18 elements. We have to find all the ordered pairs of natural numbers whose product is 18 here. The ordered pairs are 1, 18, 18, 1, 2, 9, 9, 2, 3, 6 and 6, 3. Hence, the possible orders of a matrix having 18 elements are 1 cross 13, 18 cross 1, 2 cross 9, 9 cross 2, 3 cross 6 and 6 cross 3. Thus, the ordered pair of natural numbers whose product is 5 is 1, 5 and 5, 1. Hence, the possible orders of a matrix having 5 elements are 1 cross 5 and 5 cross 1. Let's see our next question. So we have construct a 2 cross 2 matrix where A is equal to Aij whose elements are given by. A 2 cross 2 matrix is 2 rows, 2 columns. So basically it's like a square matrix. So they have given us 3 questions. So first we have Aij is equal to I plus j the whole square by 2. Second one is Aij is equal to I by j. And third one is I plus 2j the whole square by 2. So let's see how we can do it. So let's do the first question. In general, a 2 cross 2 matrix is given by A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 2. So A11 is 1 plus 1 the whole square by 2. So we get 2 square by 2, that is 4 by 2 and it is 2. Then we have A12. Again we substitute the I and j values, that's 1 and 2. So we get the answer is 9 by 2. Similarly, again 9 by 2 and 8. Now we have to substitute in the places of, we have A11, A12, A21 and A22, right? We need to substitute these values which we find out and we get the resultant matrix as 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2 and 8. Let's move on to the second part. That is Aij is equal to I by j. So similarly how I showed it in the previous part, we have the same way to do it here. So we have A11 is equal to 1, A21 is equal to 2 by 1, A12 is 1 by 2 and A22 is 1. Resultant matrix is this 1, 1 by 2, 2 by 1 and 1. Let's move on to the next part. So we have I plus 2j the whole square by 2. So when we solve it, same like the previous thing, just the values are different, like since the formula is different. Just substitute the values and you get the resultant matrix as 9 by 2, 25 by 2, 8 and 16. Make sure you pause the video and solve it. Let's move on to the next question. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix. A is equal to Aij whose elements are given by Aij is equal to half. This is mod minus 3i plus j. So and the second one is 2i minus j. Make sure you substitute the I and j values. This is a 3 cross 4 matrix, that is 3 rows, 4 columns. Let's do the first one. The general format of a 3 cross 4 matrix is A11, A12, A13, A14, so on to we have A31, A32, A33, A34. So basically 3 rows, 4 columns. Now let's get finding out what's A11 and all that. So yeah, we know that I is 1, 2, 3 because, and j is 4 since 1, 2, 3, 4. So since it's a 3 cross 4 matrix. So now we find for A11, we substitute A11 is equal to half into mod of minus 3 into 1. We just substitute 1, 2, 3. We just keep changing the I values here first. Okay. You can go in any order you feel comfortable. I am going first by substituting with the I value, like changing the I values. So we have minus 3 into 1 plus 1. That's equal to half into minus 3 plus 1. You get half into minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So you get half into minus 2. So since we have a mod, your minus 2 becomes 2. So 2 into 1 becomes 2. So we get the answer as 2 by 2, which gives us 1. The next one we have minus 3 into 2 plus 1. So minus 3 to 2 is minus 6. And minus 6 plus 1 will give you minus 5. So you have multiplied the minus 5 with 1. So it's because of the mod, the minus goes. So it becomes again positive. So you get 5 by 2. So this way we just solve the values. So A31, same way, just normal subtraction. So we get 4. And A12, we get the answer as 1 by 2. A22, you get the answer as 2. A32, you get the answer as 7 by 2. Next, A13, you get the answer is 0. A23, you get the answer is 3 by 2. A33, you get the answer is 3. Solve all this to understand it better. So A14 is 1 by 2, A24 is 1 and A34 is 5 by 2. So make sure you solve it and let's see what's our final resultant. You get the matrix as 1, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 5, 2, 3 by 2, 1, 4, 7 by 2, 3, 5 by 2. Make sure you write the answers like carefully, note it down, substitute the values carefully. Next question. We have Aij is equal to 2i minus j. So yeah, here I is 1, 2, 3 and j is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we solved for the A11, A21 and A31. That's the first column. So I'm solving it like column wise so that I can just, it's easy for my substitution. So you get the value for this as, since it's 2i minus j, that is 2 into 1 minus 1. So 2 into 2 minus 1 is 1. Then similarly A21 is 3, A31 is 5. A12 is 0, A22 is 2, A32 is 4, A13 is minus 1, A23 is 1, A33 is 3. A14 is 2 into 1 minus 4, that's 2 minus 4, that's minus 2. Okay, and A24 is 0, A34 is 2. So resultant matrix is 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 1, 0, 5, 4, 3, 2. This is our resultant matrix. Make sure you guys solve all the steps. Pause the video and try solving it. The next question. Find the value of x and y and z from the following equation. So we have the question as 4, 3, x and 5, which is equal to y, z, 1 and 5. So when I've told about the equality of matrices, so two matrices, if you want them to be equal, they should have the same order. Okay, see now in this matrix, I told you, right, we have it in the form of A11, A12, A21, A22, since it's a 2 cross 2 matrix. So if two matrices are said to be equal, then even their elements will also be equal, correct? So see, first they have asked us to find the value of x, y and z. Now they're saying that these two matrices are equal, so obviously x should be equal to 1, then y should be equal to 4, then z should be equal to 3. So these are our values of x and y. Since these two matrices are equal, we can easily get to know this is the answer. So let's see the next question. We have x plus y to 5 plus z xy, which is equal to 6 to 5, 8. So we're going to get this in a form of an equation. Y is equal to 6. We write that as an equation. Next, xy is equal to 8 and 5 plus z, that's equal to 5. Now let's substitute the equation. So we have 5 plus z is equal to 5. So z is equal to 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now let's solve for the next part, since we need the x plus 5. So you guys know the formula, x minus y the whole square is equal to x plus y the whole square minus 4xy. So let's substitute this. So we have x plus y as 6, right? So let's substitute that. So x plus y is 6. So we have x minus y whole square is equal to 6 squared minus 4xy. So our xy is 8. So 4 into 8 is 32. And 6 square is 36. So x minus y the whole square is equal to 36 minus 32. That's equal to 4. So cancel the squares. So we get x minus y equal to plus or minus 2. So now we can, the values of x minus y can be either plus 2 or minus 2. So we'll have two cases, okay. So when x minus y is equal to 2, so first we'll do the plus 2 ka case. So we have when x minus y is equal to 2 and when x plus y is equal to 6. See, x plus y is always 6, that we know. So we're just going to do the x minus y part. So when x minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 6, we get x as 4 and y as 2. And when x minus y is minus 2, the next case, and x plus y is 6, we get x as 2 and y as 4. So let's get to our final x, y and z ka values. So we have x is 4, y is 2 and z is 0. Or x is 2, y is 4 and z is 0. Let's see our next question. X plus y plus z, x plus z and y plus z. So that's equal to 9, 5 and 7. So the same way, this is also in the form of an equation which we need to solve. So when we compare the two matrices, their corresponding elements are also equal. So x plus y plus z is 9, x plus z is 5, y plus z is 7. Just number down the equations. So we'll solve 1 and 2. So we'll get the equation as y plus 5 is equal to 9. So when you put 5 on the other side, we get y is equal to 4. Then when we substitute the 4 in the third equation, so we get 4 plus z is equal to 7. So now what is z? 7 minus 4, that is 3. So x plus z is equal to 5. That we already know from the above equation. So let's substitute the z value. So it is x plus 3 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. So we have our x, y and z values, that is x is 2, y is 4 and z is 3. Now let's see our next question. Find the values of a, b, c and d from the following equation. So we have our equations as, again, two matrices. So we have a minus b, 2a plus c, 2a minus b, 3c plus d, which is equal to minus 1, 5, 0, 13. Same way, let's do the equation. So we have a minus b equal to minus 1, 2a plus c equal to 5, 2a minus b equal to 0, 3c plus d equal to 13. These are our 4 equations we have. Now from 2, that is 2a minus b equal to 0. Let's simplify it. So we get the equation as b when we put the b on the other side. So we get b is equal to 2a. Now let's put it in the first equation. So in first equation what we have, a minus, substitute the b value. So we have a minus 2a instead of b is equal to minus 1. Solve it, we'll get a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. Now from the third equation, that is 2a plus c equal to 5. Let's substitute the a value. So we have 2 into 1 plus c equal to 5. Now when we substitute it, so we get 2. So when we subtract the 5 from the 2, we get c is equal to 3. Now again you substitute that value to get the d. So from the fourth equation, that is 3c plus d is equal to 13. We'll substitute the c value as 3. So we have 3 into 3 plus d is equal to 13. 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 plus d is equal to 13. Subtract 13 and 9, we get d is equal to 4. So our final values of a, b and c and d are a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3 and d is equal to 4. So next question is, a is equal to aij m cross n. Is m cross n is the order. So we generally write matrices with their orders in the rightmost bottom corner. So anyways, A is equal to aij is a square matrix AF. A if m is less than n, B if m is greater than n, C if m is equal to n, D none of these. So this is basically an MCQ question. You need to identify when it is a square matrix. So didn't I tell you what is a square matrix? Their orders will be same, like m and n should be the same. So basically our option is C, m should be equal to n. Now let's see the next question. So we have, which of these values of x and y make the following pair of matrices equal? So our question is 3x plus 7, 5, y plus 1 and 2 minus 3x is equal to 0, y minus 2, 8, 4. So we have our options as x is equal to minus 1 by 3, y is equal to 7, b not possible to find, c x is equal to minus 2 by 3 and y is equal to 7, x is equal to minus 1 by 3, y is equal to minus 2 by 3. So now we need to solve this to find out whether our x and y values are in the option or not. So we have 3x plus 7 equal to 0. So when we try to solve it, x we get it as minus 7 by 3. Then we have 5 is equal to y minus 2. Substitute, we get y as, it becomes 5 plus 2, so y becomes 7. Y plus 1 is equal to 8. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So anyways, we know whatever we do, we get y value as 7. Now we have another equation, 2 minus 3x is equal to 4. So we have to get the 2 on this side. So we get the equation as minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. So it will be minus 3x is equal to 2. And then when you substitute it, we get x as minus 2 by 3. So I don't think so we have our options here. So the option is going to be B, not possible to find. Next question. We have the 10th question, that is the number of all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry of 0 or 1. Now we have a 3 cross 3 matrix, that is 3 rows, 3 columns. Okay. So the given matrix is of the order 3 cross 3 and has 9 elements. Okay, and each of these elements can either be 0 or 1. Now each of these 9 elements can be filled in 2 possible ways. Therefore, the required number of possible matrices is 2 power 9. So this multiplication principle, you write the number of possible matrices is 2 power the number of elements it will have. Okay, whichever order of the matrix it is. So this is in the form of 2 power 9 because we have 9 elements since it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So 2 power 9 is 512. So our answer for this question is 512. option D, 5 and 2. Well, that's a wrap for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching Sci-Fi. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn your notifications on, and thanks for watching.